Hello everyone. Today I am going to make a snack. It's good for tea time. If you haven't subscribed me yet, keep subscribed. Well, let's see how to make it. First we add 375 grams of butter and 185 grams of sugar. You can add icing sugar instead of sugar. If you don't have a mixer machine, you can use a whisk. Mix sugar with butter until it's well dissolved. Remove from machine and stir. Now add 5 eggs little by little. Add vanilla essence 10 milliliters. Remove from machine and stir. Now put it in the bowl. Add 500 grams of flour. Mix with spatula. Use the piping bag shape of the flour. Heat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius and bake for 18 minutes. Now your snack is ready. Thanks for watching.